Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. This is Tuesday. Dollar is getting stronger and stronger, which is not surprising, and also gold is getting worse. Another thing that I like here is Chinese government or economy grew 5.3%, and they did beat the estimation or the expectation. That's good. That's good. That's really great. And yeah, maybe we will see some positive side out of the market. So another thing here that I see, Tesla will lay off more than 10% of global workforce. Oh, that's crazy. So gold might reach actually 3,000. Gold, let's see, Citibank or whatever says. So yeah, gold is still in demand. Things are still looking not really good. So gold is still a safe haven, right? So you can go through all these things. And yeah, yesterday we had retail sales. Whoa. US retail sales. It's not really actually an aggressive economic news. But what we showed there was like seriously aggressive. Core retail sales 1.1%. The estimation was 0.5. I thought also that number was not going to be crazy high like that, but yes, it went up. So month over month, retail sales is 0.7. They did actually beat the estimation there, but the market did not really react much on that. I think the market was still focusing on the tensions that we see all over the world, and this also shows the inflation. The inflation is still going to actually push even higher, right? So that actually did not really have much of an effect even when the market opened, but later during the day we started to see those sell-offs, right? So today is Tuesday. We see CPI from Canada, and Powell is gonna speak around 7:15 or 15 past 7, right? So that maybe we will see what will happen. And going further, we have unemployment claims from the US, which is going to be on Thursday. Unemployment change from Australia, and retail sales from Britain on Friday. Not really that important. So yeah, the market is actually giving us some moves. We saw the trends changing. All things were just actually changing, and that is part of the way the market is supposed to move. Before, guys, I have some good news for everyone who wanted to join the team. So what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm not just going to say you have the special here, you can join. No, it's not going to be that. So you see those prices there, those are actually our normal prices. So you have the power to just discount yourself. So you just give yourself discount. If maybe we say mentorship is 350, you can say, Kenzo, I have this much, can I join the team? Something like that. If you want signals 6 months, if maybe it's 400, you can say, Kenzo, I have this month. You can see the pamphlet there. So then you can decide. So it's up to you. And then this is going to last for actually a month. Then you have time to just be flexible, just relax, don't hurry, relax, choose whatever that you feel like you want to choose. But the only thing that I'm not going to allow is when you see that, okay, maybe something, let's say you see signals for, maybe say it's $80, and you say, Kenzo, I have $5 there. That's not really normal, right? So if I'm talking about people who are serious, if maybe you see something and you see that, okay, I need that, but I wanted the discount, then you can just discount yourself, and you will tell me, Kenzo, I have this much, can I get in? Then I'll say, okay, let's see. Yes, you can get in or not. Simple as that. So now let's go straight to the market. Let's see what's really happening. So guys, I know in the market, once the market is going up and down like that, people you get these emotions because sometimes you might be losing. Yes, that's normal, but you need to learn. You need to learn. You have this chance to learn in our mentorship, as you can also give yourself that discount. So it's up to you if you want to learn, guys. The market is moving crazy. If you are in this markets at the moment, losing is not really good because the market is just going up, down, up and down. Few minutes later, the market is going in the same direction that you just lost. You see, and that is not really good. But you know what? We're supposed to actually relax here and there. When we take some losses, stay out of the market maybe for 1 day or 2 days, and then refresh, then come back. Simple as that. You don't really have to fight the market. The market is not going anywhere, right? So you're still gonna get it here. Now, what's really happening here? We are on Eurozar. What's really happening? We can see that yes, the market was on a very nice uptrend. The market was uptrending. I think this was just obvious. And then you see we had something like this as a very nice uptrend. You can see that around number 6 there, you can see that actually we had a nice breakout, which means now the market is doing what? The market is just consolidating. You see a nice breakout. We have that structure, so it seems like this is going to be our a resistant, and if this is going to be a resistant, the market might just move like that before we see a continuation of that sell. But at the moment, once the market broke out of this, we expecting to the market to continue selling. We expect the market to continue selling. So unfortunately, we missed Euro JPY because this happened like seriously early on Monday. So what happened here is, or what's still happening is, we are still on this nice uptrend, right? We are still on this nice uptrend. The market is going up very nice. You can see that. And then yesterday the market was around here, then we can see the market going up. But when we go closer there, maybe you will see it much better. Let's see. So now you can see that, yeah, our market was going a little bit lower towards this support area. The market was here. Then on Monday, the market touched this area and we found it around this level, I think. So now it means, yeah, we need to wait for the market to touch our resistance, or maybe the market will end up going down around this support area before we push to the upside, or maybe the market will end up breaking this support area. If it breaks, it's fine. We are going to actually look for the market to push lower if we see that breakout. So someone can say, Kenzo, I also see a nice downtrending structure. Yes, that's normal. It's quite similar to this. So remember, when the market goes down, the market doesn't really just go down straight like that. The market has to create something like that. Even when it goes up, it moves like that. So something like that will happen, but that doesn't really mean we are on a downtrend. We are still on this nice uptrend, and we expecting the market to touch the support before we look for a buy. Or if maybe the market is aggressively on this uptrend, we might see it breaking out of this resistance, and this will be a nice area to buy if the market breaks out. If it doesn't really break out, we'll see a nice, very nice reversal, by the way. A very nice reversal. So on USD JPY, obviously you saw that we had a very nice pending order there, which was triggered, I think, last week. Then now the market already reached that take profit. I don't know if they were still holding this, but if they did smash that very nice. So what's really happening is we are still on that nice uptrend. So the market is moving very nice. So after this nice uptrend, we start to see that this consolidation structure, the market broke out. We see that the market is continuing going up. Yeah, so this is what we have. I think this continuation of this uptrend will end up having something like that going further, because we can see that the market is far away from this this support area. So we're going to have something like that. Maybe the market will end up creating something like this, going further, so that we need to know where we can buy, because we are on an uptrend. But luckily enough, we did catch that buy, fortunately enough, right? So now we are going to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Quite similar to Euro JPY. You can easily see that, yes, we have a proper nice uptrend. The market touched that. I hate this, because once the market was touching here, we were not, it was like seriously early, so the market was just going up. But this, it's actually a very nice buy. But what I like about this is, I did talk about this on my weekly analysis, that if you wake up early, you might find a very nice trend. Go check that. Go check that. You will see that I was talking about that. So now what we see here is we can easily see that the market touched our support area and we see the market going up. This structure is quite similar to what we saw on Nasdaq. The market was just going down, going down, going down, and on Nasdaq the market ended up breaking out. So simple as that. But we are still going on that Nasdaq. We are still going on that Nasdaq. So I'm still bullish here. I'm still waiting for the market to reverse so that we can buy again. Or maybe the market will end up breaking our resistance so that we can look for that buy. Unless if maybe the market tries to break out of that, then we can say, yeah, maybe it's time for us to look for that downtrend. But at the moment, we are still bullish and we just need to wait. The market is already up, right? Sorry, so now we are on Bitcoin, Crypto King. So we are on this Bitcoin. You can see the market has been also going up for quite some time. So if you check this direction, the market has been actually ranging on a bigger time frame. You can see that the market has been going up, down, up, down. As you can see that it's around 74, 60 something K. So the market is just playing around. But now this is, you can see that maybe the market is trying to respect this area. We will just wait and see. And if it continues like that, it will validate this support area. But we also have this horizontal structure. I hope that makes sense. Unless if the market decides to break out and go to the downside, and that will be a different story. So on this one, it's actually dollar index shows us that, you know what, I'm very strong. I'm very, very strong. Every economic news that we see is been on the right side of the dollar. So which means the dollar is forced to be stronger. The dollar is forced to be stronger. But what we see here, I can't say this resistance is still very far. Unless if maybe the market touches this area, but it's way too far. And if the market reaches there, it means those other pairs, they will be still struggling. They will be struggling because it will be going up. And we don't know when will that when the market was going to reach that area, maybe until we see a very nice sell. You see, if that happens, that will be good. But at the moment, I think it's quite straightforward. If we just zoom what we have, you can see that we have a very nice uptrend or aggressive uptrend, and this is not good for any other pair that is going against the dollar. But remember, it's not like just because this is going up, the other markets are forced to go up. They also have their own factors, right? So there are things that affect their positive moves or negative moves, or not only the dollar. I hope you understand that. So yeah, the dollar is very strong. Let's push to the other one, and which is Euro USD. You can see here we have Euro USD. So we're supposed to have a sell on this one. We're supposed to have a sell. We are supposed to have a sell. So what's really happening? We can see that the market is still on this nice downtrend. So the market was here. I thought maybe we're going to have a nice proper reversal, but it seems like the market did not really want to do that. We will see what will happen here so that we can jump on that sell. Sometimes if you are new or if you are a newbie, as long as you see this down, if you see this candlesticks, you will be thinking about selling, which is not really wrong. But sometimes understand that we are on a certain trend. If this is a downtrend, most likely we're supposed to look for a down or sell positions. Yes, sometimes we can scalp this, whatever, but just know that the overall trend is actually a downtrend structure. You understand that? So some people, they will say, oh, the market has been going up. No, we are on a downtrend. So I'm expecting a nice reversal so that we can sell, because sometimes you can sell here. What if the market pushes up and reach this area or maybe this area? Even though you were selling, you can still lose. So that's what I'm expecting there. I'm waiting for the market to give me a proper reversal before I look for that actually nice sell. So quite similar to Gbpusd, you can also see here that the market has been going down for quite some time. I think this one is much better. If it reaches this area, we will look for that continuation of a sell as we are on this nice downtrend. You can see that the market is actually going down. So don't complicate things. Don't complicate things. So we're expecting the market to reverse, the market to continue going down. But these reversals here, yes, they are good for us so that we can buy when the market is bouncing back from this resistance, and that gives us some good entries, right? So let's push to the next one, which is gold. I think we had a gold signal yesterday. So I no longer remember, guys. I'm no longer remember. I don't know if maybe just tell me on the comment section. Did the market reverse and reach our our resistance, our stop loss or something? But if not, it means that whoever who took that, they were actually smashing that. Unless if maybe this reversal happened, then maybe that took us out if we were already in the trade. Just let me know on the comment section if you did take that gold. Did you eat, or maybe did it touch your stop loss? So it's possible that we can have a buy pending order. It can trigger your order and then touch your stop loss. It's possible. Sometimes you can still have a very long stop loss there, and the market. What if the market continues? Sometimes we can be wrong, but not always, right? So I am still bullish. I'm still bullish. That's why we had this nice bullish trade here. So it seems like the market is trying to come back around this support area. So we'll be expecting a continuation like that. So I was expecting the market to reach this level, but it seems like the market is reversing all over the place. But you can see these swings there, guys. It's not really safe. These swings, they can be crazy. Sometimes be careful. Just because it's going up, it doesn't really mean it's safer for you just to jump in. So now we are on US30, guys. We are on US30. Remember, guys, remember, you have the chance to discount yourself. You can just discount yourself. I will place the poster, or the price list here. Whatever that you want there, you can discount yourself. So but it has to be reasonable. Whatever that you want there, tell me whatever that you want. So we do this after a while so that everyone can actually join with the amount that they afford. So we are on US30. What's really happening? We can easily see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend, which I've been preaching about it for quite some time. On this one, yes, we had a proper breakout. So it seems like, yes, the market will be continuing going down. We had a sell, but guess what? We had an aggressive reversal, and then the market did continue again. So we'll see what will happen here, guys. So when we have these trades, guys, sometimes we need to be extra careful. Play around with your stop loss wisely, because sometimes we can have a proper sell, and unfortunately I can't place, let's say maybe we have something like this. If maybe we sell here, we can have a stop loss like that, you see. So we can have a stop loss like that. And if maybe the order is touched or is triggered, so it means if the market reaches this area, obviously we will have to take a loss. What if it doesn't really reverse? And unfortunately, sometimes the market touches your stop loss, then reverses. That is part of the game. What you can do is just make sure that you lower the risk and make sure that you have you are not actually over risking. If you take that as a loss, we'll come back tomorrow, or you can adjust that if maybe you feel like maybe it's not gonna be way too risky, right? As long as we can try to minimize the risk. It's not like we're gonna stop it, but we're going to minimize that, so that once we make the profit, we can able to retain our profits. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the Nasdaq. Let's push to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's trying to do its thing here. But what's really happening here? We can easily see that the market was going up for quite some time. Look at this. So the market has been going up for quite some time. So we were on this nice uptrend. So when we talk about the uptrends, guys, let me just explain this like way too easy. Because not like I'm worried about I'm not really worried about the comments. So let me just do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this is gonna be north on it, south, east, and west, right? So I'm teaching you something very, very simple, but very, very powerful, right? So obviously, when we deal with all this north, let's say we're not going to talk much about east and west, but south, let's say south, it's actually when the market is downtrending. Let's say it's down, right? Let's say it's downtrend. and let's say it's uptrending, right? The market is coming from the bottom side going up. So this is simple, but for some people it might be challenging. So this is an uptrend. So let's say you're coming from Cape Town in South Africa, obviously. Let's say you go into Gauteng, or maybe let's say Limpopo. So with the uptrend, is going to move like this. So this is not going to move like that. That route is not going to be like that. Even the market doesn't really move like that, right? So which means when we talk about an uptrend, we talk about something like this. The market will go up, or this route will go like that, and we reach Limpopo or Gauteng, coming from Cape Town to Limpopo. So that is an uptrend. So we can't say this small move here that the road was just giving us a smaller angle and say, oh, now we are on a downtrend. No, we are still on an uptrend. Remember, we go in there. Unless if the market tries to change that, we can see that, no, that is a huge turn. We never had that before. I think that it makes sense. Even if you go, we come in from Limpopo going down, which means we come in from the north to the south. From up to down, so which means it's going to be something like this. So these smaller reversals here, we can say, oh, the market has been buying. You crazy. Simple as that, right? So let's go on the market, because I see some comments. I'm not really fighting anyone. I'm just trying to be. We have to talk, guys, because there's people who you can't say we can't talk these days because of the internet. A smaller thing, people are offended. No, we talk. On my channel, we talk. You can say, Kenzo, you're wrong there. I'm not going to take that personal, guys, because I know what I'm doing. So now what we have is we have this nice uptrend, right? We have this nice uptrend. You see that? This thing's coming from the south going up. So my worry is, yeah, there's those people who just want to sell, buy. Maybe we differ with strategies. So, but with this type of a structure, to me, we were on a very nice uptrend. And lucky enough, when we do the analysis, that maybe this is the problem that people don't really understand. What I'm doing every day here, for those who don't really understand, it's daily analysis. I analyze. I'm not trading. It's an analysis. We analyze and say, okay, once the market reaches this area, we're going to have a nice buy pending order here. And if the market reverses, we're going to have a buy. Simple as that. Do you understand that? So this is what we have, because I saw the people that, oh, maybe you are losing, oh, Nasdaq 1, 2, 3. No, it's not really like that. This is an analysis. We were expecting the market to respect this area. Why? Because the market did respect these levels, right? And once the market respect this level, we expecting the same thing. Like you can see here, the market did respect that even around this area. And on my side, if we go back on the north and south, or south to north, you can easily see that if maybe we say south and north, if the market is moving like this, 90 or 80% of the time, it means the market was just going up. So any reversal there was not really that aggressive. Do you understand that? Yes. So I hope you understand. So this smaller move, guys, they are not different from this. Now, remember I trade with trends, right? So I follow the trend. So now what I see is I can confirm and say, you know what, the trend is been broken. If you've been selling from these areas, lucky you, that's good for you, but I don't really go against the trend. The market was just consolidating, and around these areas we're buying. So that, because the market broke out here, I just gave my people buy pending order. It's not like maybe we said buy. No, we said buy pending order if the market reverses. If it doesn't really reverse, it means it will break out. So, and now the market did break out. So which means we expect the market to do what? To go down. Why? Because I follow the trend. Do you understand that? This is the strategy. So if my strategy still says maybe we are still on this uptrend, this smaller move, to me, they are not downtrends, because at the end of the day, the market was still continuing going up. Simple as that, right? So this is what we have now. The market just broke out. Now we can talk about downtrend. You see, it's called the discipline. It's called following your strategy. Yes, you can be wrong. I can be wrong. Everyone can be wrong. But you still need to have that backbone, understand your strategy. And even though maybe people see the sells, I did not really see that. Yes, this sell candlesticks, they were there even before that, even when we are on that uptrend. But at the moment, we can easily say, yes, the market broke out of that structure. So we expect the market to do what? To continue going down. Now it means our focus is actually on a nice downtrend structure. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You have the power in your hands. Just discount yourself as much as you want. Let me know. You can just scan the QR code and be part of the team. You can also discount yourself on mentorship. So anyways, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. I think I will be on Nick's channel later on. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.